Hey guys, Jeff with Maker's Niche. I haven't done a video in a while, but here I have a 2009 Hasbro Boba Fett helmet. A friend of mine picked this up, and as with most of these helmets condition nowadays, you find most of them with the rangefinder missing. And no difference here, no rangefinder, so we're going to model one up and attach it to it. Maybe do a little other stuff to the helmet as well, but we'll start with the rangefinder. So I completely dismantled the helmet, and this is the side where the rangefinder is. Normally it would snap into those positions there, but we're going to do a little different process here with this one. We'll attach it permanently to the helmet. Modeled up, and I've borrowed a couple pieces from models that are existing, so it'd be fully articulating rangefinder stock, and just done some modeling to make some of these other models fit to the helmet we've got here. So this will be basically the form fitting of it, what it's going to look like at the end after we get some nice paint on it. So got some primer on all these pieces. Got the actual rangefinder top all put together. It will just insert into the stock piece, and now we're going to try to paint some stuff up here. I wanted to possibly spray the stock, but I had this nickel acrylic on hand, and I thought I just wanted to use that. So going to paint the stock up with some of this, try to give it a metallic finish. Now that I've got that all painted up, I'm going to try to match the coloring of the existing earpiece with just some acrylics I have around. And it takes a little bit of time to find the exact tone, and then you got to go a little darker because it's probably going to dry lighter. In this case, it might dry darker, so we'll just have to see how it goes. Might have to do this twice. I think this is good, so we'll go ahead and use this color. Paint this up. Be careful and not get paint on the parts that I'm going to be gluing here. This model that I've got has some recesses and holes to be able to go completely through with some wooden dowels to make it very sturdy and sustainable. So I'm just using some CA glue here. I'm going to fill in the cracks and crevices, put this together, clamp it down, make sure it's all lined up good, and then put my wood dowels through. So I got it all dried up here, and just going to pop these dowels off so that they're flush. All these files will be available at the links below. If you have a 2009 helmet missing its rangefinder and you want to replicate this. So this is the finished rangefinder. I'm going to be attaching it with some CA glue, just make a permanent attachment to it. I can't really do that fully until the helmet's back together, so for right now it's just going to be a fit and finish. We've got some decals we have to put on it as well. These the files for these decals will also be available at the links below. Just kind of replicated what was there before. Looking at pictures of the new latest Hasbro helmet, the Black Series helmet with the refresh on it, and just mimicked what was going on in those. And some more decals here. This is on the helmet side this time. That decal was not there for some reason on the Hasbro's original version. And just finishing up some decals on the rangefinder itself, making some marks. You can see in that I've done some upgrades to the helmet itself. I'm going to be doing another video on upgrading or updating that 2009 helmet. And here I've got the weathering all done, dirtied it up some, put our scratches and paint chips on it. Not too much of that. This is the refresh version, but you know, it's Boba Fett. You gotta have you gotta have some Beskar showing through. So really happy with the action on this. It holds really tight when it's in place, and with that, we're going to attach it up, and this build is done. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button and subscribe. Really helps my channel out. Be on the lookout for the video on the helmet restoration and upgrading. That'll be coming out soon. Talk to you guys then.